I want to share with you two things that are very present in the life. The first one is very visible. It is the lack of attention. The lack of attention and all of its consequences. There are a lot of them. The second one is hidden, and I'll be talking about that shortly. The lack of attention makes it to be dispersed. There is this dispersion of social media, conversation about news. We watch the news, negative news, and all of this, as we are out of ourselves, may cause negative thoughts. It is the natural way. We are out of ourselves, and any negative thought can penetrate in our system. Eventually, we start believing in these negative thoughts, and they cause toxins that is spread in our body. And eventually, we'll have diseases. At the end, we become someone in a very toxic cycle of negativeness, where our emotional life is affected by this negativity, and the body is sick. The emotional and the physical aspect of the being gets sick in this situation. Some people are very deeply in this process, in this cycle, and they believe they will never get rid of that. But the good news is that there is a possibility. And this is the second thing I want to talk about. The first thing I was talking about is very visible, and the second thing can be hidden for some people. The real possibility of changing the game. You can change the game, and it is easier than you can imagine. It is the opposite direction we do. Rather than being out of ourselves, disconnected, we start being connected. You can think this is very complicated, but it is not. You get connected, and you can be connected to your inner being. And when you do this, you are connected to your inner being. There is a brand new dimension in your life, a very different perspective of the life. Things can be happening out of you, but you are here. You are alive. You are aware of things. You are aware of your reality. You understand that you're no longer these negative thoughts. You're not these negative thoughts. These are just thoughts, and you are something else, something deeper. Now, imagine if you take this possibility, you know that this is something you can access to. Imagine that you can help people get rid of this negative cycle, this negative process, automated process I was talking about. While you are connected, you can help people get rid of this automated process. You can help them have pain relief fast, and you can help them realize all these negativities. You can help them have a big relief in regards to this negativeness. The best part of it is that you are part of this process. You are there actively working, and this is quantum touch. You can do that for your family members. You can do that for your partner, for your friends. You'll be always part of the equation. You'll be benefited by this. You give this and you take it. You are helping them to heal their own body. That's how this happens. You are facilitating the process with your intention and certain breathing techniques. This is very easy, and Richard Gordon, the founder of Quantum Touch, says that this should be taught in the schools for kids. And now I want to talk about an opportunity. Richard Gordon, the founder of Quantum Touch, he is researching about energy healing for decades, for over 40 years. He developed Quantum Touch techniques to help people have pain relief fast and emotional relief fast as well, but he went beyond. There is a new breakthrough by Richard Gordon, and now this is being offered as a workshop called Becoming More. So save the date, October 19th and 20th. On these dates, there will be offered a workshop by Richard Gordon, an on-site workshop where we can go beyond. You need to have attended the level 1 workshop to be able to attend this one. But in case you never attended a level 1 workshop before, at the same place, 3 days before, there will be offered a level 1 workshop by Henri Furgiuele and Miriam. And then you'll be ready right away to attend Becoming More workshop with Richard Gordon and change the game. In the description of this video, you can find all the information needed for Becoming More workshop and the level 1 workshop. And now I want to share with you something about myself. A very important learning in my life. The worst thing we can do with ourselves is postpone priorities in our life. I'm talking about procrastination. In our lives, it's very automated when you think, I can do that another day. I can do that next year. But sometimes next year takes a lot of time. This workshop, Becoming More, is not available the whole year. It is available 1 or twice a year. This is really transformative. And we need to remember that when we are procrastinating things, we are giving force and power to this part of us who doesn't want to grow. There is a part of a human being's constitution that doesn't like to grow, doesn't like to go to the next level. So this is self-sabotage. So think about changing the game in your life, not being reactive, being present, and being able to help people, your loved ones. You can change the game now in October 19th and 20th and the days before with the level 1 workshop if that's the case for you. Give yourself this opportunity to change your life. Take a look at the description of this video and remember that you'll be changing your life and this change will be really transformative. Thank you.